Hey guys, we are back. Welcome to sixth episode of Stupid Premier League.
We'll talk anything and everything about IPL here. Today we are going to talk about Lucknow Super Giants. What do you think about LSG's batting and how much would you rate it out of 10?
So for LSG batting, I'll give 9 because they have the batting depth till 7th down. So I'll give 9.
I'll give a 5. I think there's no consistent player in the team. I think Miller will be the only one performing. Maybe Pooran as well. What do you think about that bowling?
So for their bowling, I'll give 7.5. They don't have much experience bowlers, so I'll give 7.5.
I'll give 5 for bowling as well. I think the team isn't balanced as other teams. So, who are the top 3 performers for you?
So for me, top 3 performance, Pooran and then Badoni, Rishabh Pant.
For me, it will be Pooran, Miller, and Mohsin Khan. Where do you think they'll be on the table?
4th position.
You think they'll qualify for the playoffs?
They do have very good batting order. Okay, so when it comes to T20 cricket, batting is the most important thing.
I think they'll be at the bottom. I think they'll finish at 10th place, according to me. Thank you for watching. Where do you think LSG will finish on the table? Comment down below. Bye.
Guys, as you know, Rishabh Pant joins LSG. Don't miss a chance to see him live. Get the free tickets now. Join the contest. Rock it, guys. Bye.
Bye.